Hello students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here with your English new chapter from Moments book. This is chapter number 4, In the Kingdom of Fools. It is a very interesting chapter. I think many of you have already knew the story. So if I give you the total summary little bit, you will not feel interest in the videos which I will upload over here, because a known story is least interested by the people to hear. So this is the story about a foolish king and his kingdom. This is the story written by A.K. Ramanujan. He was a great poet, you know. He was a great poet. But he also writes many stories. He has also written many stories. He is very good at literature. This is the story which has a very common and popular proverb in Hindi. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. This is the proverb in Hindi, very popular proverb. And this is the story also. The story is also about like that. The theme of the story is that wisdom is worshipped everywhere. Akalmandi, that is called wisdom, is worshipped everywhere when foolishness is our greatest enemy. Foolishness, budbaki, is our greatest enemy. And when this greatest enemy rules, greatest enemy, that is foolishness, is ruling somewhere, only wisdom can overpower it. So with the help of wisdom, we can make a difference between right and wrong. When our life is in troubles, we can fight with them and make our ways with the power of wisdom. When our life will be in trouble, in problem, we cannot understand what to do and what not to do. It is our wisdom, Akalmandi, which will make us to take the right path and take the right decision. It lives with us and never dies, even if we leave this world. Wisdom, if you are having wisdom, proper wisdom, it will live with you forever and it will die with you. It will never leave you. Obviously, the wise people are worshipped everywhere. Wise people are not only worshipped, they have been blessed with all types of positive aspects of life. So today I am going to give you a little touch of this story. What is the story about? And gradually, slowly we will go through this chapter. It is a story in the kingdom of fools. In the kingdoms of fools, this is the story about a foolish king, where the king and his ministers were idiots. They did not wanted to run their kingdom as other kings do. They wanted to rule in different way so that people should know them. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. Means whatever the work you do in day, you do it at night, and whatever the work you do at night, you do at day, in the day. So one day, a guru and his disciple, after wandering from here and there, reached in that kingdom in the day, in the daytime. So what they will find? In the day, the people are sleeping because the day has been changed into night. In the night, the people are working, and the day, the people are sleeping. So one day, Guru and his disciple arrived in the city. Both of them were amazed by what they saw around them. In the evening means before evening, they saw that everybody were sleeping, even the cows and goats, they were also trained to sleep in the morning. And as soon as it started, became gradually evening, people started waking up and going outside for doing their everyday business. Whole town wake up. As the time passes, it becomes dark. The two men were hungry since they wandered in the whole day but got nothing from people. See, if any beggar comes to you at night, will you entertain them? Will you open the door and give something alms to them? No. In the same way, in the daytime, if they go to their houses, for them it is day, but for that particular place it was night. So nobody will entertain them. So they were wandering here and there in the whole daytime and got nothing to eat, and they were very hungry. So they went to a shop which was opened in the evening. To their astonishment again, they found that everything cost the same price, that is 1 dudu. Dudu is the currency which was running there. So in a 1 dudu, they will get everything. If you want to purchase rice, 1 dudu. If you want to purchase 1 banana, 1 dudu. If you want to purchase ghee, 1 dudu. So they were astonished to see that everything is of same price. They were delighted. They were happy also that in low cost they will eat today too much. But the Guru was very wise. After having his food, he decided to leave the place at once, because he understood that this is the kingdom of fools and anything could happen to them at any time. But the disciple was a greedy person. He saw that everything is very cheap in this territory or provinces. So he disobeyed the Guru and did not wanted to leave the kingdom. He stayed there and wanted to have this lavish food in low cost. So his greedy made him to stay there. The Guru went away. And the disciple stayed there for cheap food. What happened then? We will see in the next video. Till then, thank you.